I worked with Messermeister for months in designing this blade. This was not the first design. There was a lot of thought and care and conversations and dialogue about what kind of knife do I want to have, because this is the knife that I'm going to be using forever. The cool thing about this knife is that it's got a really beautiful wooden handle, just made from used bourbon barrels. But the blade is made in Japan. Not only is it a functional, beautiful knife, but it also tells a story of me. Part Kentucky, part Asia. And I think that's an important part, because really that identity for me is something that's really important. It comes through in all the cooking that I do. You have a really sturdy handle, gives you a lot of control over the knife. So for the blade, I wanted something really special, so we went with a Damascus. The blade has a slight curve to it, so you can still rock with it, but it's also really versatile. So I wanted a blade that you could do everything from meat butchery to vegetable cutting to delicate things to even just peeling an apple. The blade is really thin, it's really lightweight, so it doesn't weigh you down. The handle's really sturdy, and it's a long handle, so you can really get your grip on it. But it really is an all-purpose knife that you can use for anything. But it's also like a special showstopper. It's a knife that you can show off to. This is a knife that hopefully you will take as much care with it, and it really will last you forever.